In the learning phase of this sim, students work as the revenue manager of a hotel in Brimfield, Kentucky. Popular flea markets drive up demand for hotel rooms every other weekend. Students begin by studying an STR report to determine their hotel's historic performance and competitive set. Students adjust their room rates to increase revenue, but then they learn how other factors, such as room restrictions for weekend stays, can also have a huge impact. Next, students learn what hotels grapple with every day: the impact of room cancellations on their occupancy rate and overall revenue. With overbooking, students can try to implement a hotel management technique that anticipates cancellations while also maximizing revenue. In the challenge phase, students take on room rates as the revenue manager of the Hotel Magnificent. Several hot air balloon jamborees are in town for the busy July season. Students must apply what they've learned about all the variables that impact revenue management to increase the hotel's revenue within 1 month in the sim. For professors using the full curriculum with written content chapters, the optional concept overview and quiz covers modern revenue management, information drives revenue management strategies and tactics, advanced techniques to maximize revenue, capacity management, discount allocation, duration control, and the revenue manager as integrator. Revenue management in the hotel industry is a complex science. This simulation introduces students to the many factors that go into revenue management for hotels, valuable knowledge for their hospitality careers.